straight right up here, yeah. I hooked my winch up to it and climbed that hill right to your left. With my Hummer.
Took the winch to do it though?
Yeah, that's the only way to do it.
That's a pretty steep hill though.
And it was snowing, so if it was dry, I climbed it dry. Me and Anthony both climbed it dry.
I'm gonna rob still pictures from this video like a boss. Say hi, guys! Hi, Nick!
How come no one says hi?
Hi, Jacob! Hi!
Hey, Jacob!
Should've maybe took that a little faster.
Maybe.
I'm gonna dig it from her.
Here it is again.
I have my brakes on my shit.
It don't matter if the brakes on, the engine's still going. Torque converter.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, I was digging mud. Fuck.
Yeah, she's thawing over here. Level B will be fun. Might have to walk and try. You're not gonna fish it.
Nope.
Pussyfoot.
Oh, so I can't see nothing. Go on. Alright, well. That's not exactly what I was thinking.
Come on, truck.
That wouldn't go back too far. As you change the angle of your truck, you change how much footprint's off the edge. I take it you didn't want to take that tree.
No, I'm not gonna take your trail.
Wait, what are you trying to say? Trying to say I'm not hot enough for you? Don't want to take my trail?
We buried a Jeep and a truck over here before the water went out. My trail's right.
Oh, I think we tried that last night, didn't we?
Yeah, they knocked down those trees in the fucking driveways. They're light trees.
Just like the ones burning out.
Yeah.
Jesse.
Oh yeah.
When they knocked all that shit down.
They didn't knock it down.
I'm still freaking out how we got a foot of snow in less than a 24-hour period.
It's pretty crazy for this time.
Because we made the drive.
It probably won't even be done because isn't it supposed to come back a little bit more tonight?
Supposed to, yeah. It's supposed to be on a blizzard advisory till 6 tonight. So.
It's supposed to snow till noon.
I don't think it's snowing right now. Blowing around. Sounds like a girl I once knew. Too bad Jason's not here.
You can answer it.
Bratke's out of designing customs on my up and serve. Oh no, my phone died. You know where 3 ohms is? You know where 3 ohms is?
Come on, get some.
Mailman! Mailman!
Hit him! Hit him!
Where are you going?
He only works for the government. It's all right.